Hi, I'm Stuart from SOB Leadworks. Welcome to the next job. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so this one's quite straightforward, to be honest with you. It should just be a day's work. Hope it doesn't take any longer than that. As you can see, we're going to need some apron flashing all the way around on this top course of tiles. So that's fairly straightforward. Nice bit of nail on. That should go on quite quickly. But it looks like we do have a saddle detail to have a look at there. That might take a bit more time. I should imagine there's going to be another one on the other side. Oh, to watch that scaffold board, someone's left that out. It's a bit dodgy. Yeah, same again. Let's go and have a look up here. Right, I think what we'll do, we'll cut this felt back. That's just the first layer. I just put that on to keep it in the dry. We cut that edge off. So we're just going to do a little apron, probably down to around there somewhere. I'll work out the lap in a minute. Up there, and onto the flat roof, at least 100 mil. Yeah, another little saddle detail on this side. We'll get that stripped off in a minute and have a look at it. But I think the first thing I'm going to do, sweep this roof off, try and get some of this water off this. We'll cut all this felt back, and then we'll start on this front edge, probably on one of these corners. Start on the corner there. I'll probably do these at 1.2s, not 1.5s, because you're fixing the whole way along the length, and then of course the felt's going to be stuck to it as well. It's going to really restrict the movement. So although the general size for code 4 is 1.5 meters, I'm going to lower these to 1.2s, I think. So yes, we'll do that. We'll work out some 1.2s. We'll get some clips on there, get some gear up here. Let's get this done. Okay, so I've knocked up a few lengths here. What I've done them at is 1 meter 250. That's 390 wide lead, code 4. And what I've done is I've bent 160 mil coming down the tiles and the rest up. So there's a few lengths there ready to go. I've ordered them on both sides. What I'm in the process now of doing is cutting some clips off. So I've got a roll of 300 here. I'm literally just using my square, put it on there, and then just literally run a knife down the square, create a series of scores. Then you can literally just get it, flap it a few times, just break off. That's what we do. Knock up a few more of these, get those clips oiled, and then get it all up there and start nailing it all on. Okay, that's the most of the apron flashing now done now all the way around. So now it's just time to have a look at these saddle details, see what we're going to do with those. Okay, let's have a look. As you can see, we've come onto the flat roof quite a bit here. We've got about 150 mil, but when it comes on these sides, because of the fall, it loses it slightly. I think we're about 120 there, but we've still got plenty for them to bond onto. Right, let's have a look at this. Right, so I've taken a few tiles out here. I think what we're going to do, we're going to put another bit of apron on with a corner into here, tile this back in, and then we're going to sort of like just extend onto the apron corner, I think. But it's going to be one of them things we're going to kind of make this up as we go along, I think. So let's see what we can do. Okay, that's that saddle there done. It didn't turn out too bad actually. I thought it was going to be a bit more of a nightmare than that. But in the end I've just literally gone over the top of all those tiles. I was going to do like a bit of apron underneath these two courses and then do a saddle over the top. But looking at it now, I think that was the way to go, just go over the top of everything. So that's that one done. All we've got to do now is pretty much copy what we've done there on that side, and then we can trim these clips through at 50 mil. Got some corners to weld there, same on this one, and then we'll just give it a coat of oil and that'll be job done. Okay, that's saddle done as well now. That was a little bit easier because all I had to do is just copy what I'd done before. I've literally just trimmed up all of these clips, just trimmed them to 50 mil, just made sure I left 5mm there for expansion, otherwise it just pulls all the clips out so they become useless. I'm literally just giving this a coat of oil. So that is job done. Literally just got to put over this plastic sheet just to protect those corners until the felt man comes and torches a couple of layers over the top of this. Okay, that's a wrap, guys. I literally just got it done before it got too dark, but just about got it done. I think I have got a cup of tea down there, it's probably stone cold now, but there you go, just wanted to finish it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next. Cheers.